What's up, guys? It's been a while. So, I'm doing a 100K Top Step evaluation process, and I'm going through it with you guys on the Discord so you guys can see, hey, this guy can pass funded accounts, like he's profitable. And I want to show you guys it's not too difficult to pass funded accounts when you have a good strategy and when you have good practices. You know what I mean? So, hopping straight into it right away. This was today's trade. I took a long to these highs up here, and I also took this short from those longs being swept out. I took this short to the downside. I ended up catching a 1-7, almost 8 RR, and then this one was a 1-5 RR, meaning overall I came up to a 2 to 12 RR, or it would be a 1 to, what would that be? Would that be like a 1 to 12 RR? I don't know. Point is, pretty fucking easy day today. So I'm gonna go through what I saw today and the reasoning behind why I took the trades I took. So we come right here. Let's lower my face cam. It's a little big. So we come right here. We can see that we have a pretty good sweep of liquidity on this level, plus this fair value gap. We also see that this hourly fair value gap got tapped into, giving us even more bullish confirmation. Um, on top of the 15-minute sweep of liquidity. Then we also saw that, hey, we didn't sweep any buy side liquidity on this end, right? Market open. We didn't sweep any liquidity on this on buy side liquidity, meaning that sell side liquidity did not need a second sweep. With one sweep is completely fine. Anyways, after I saw that, I was looking for not looking for a 5-minute break structure, but I was looking for a entry, right? And I was looking for a 1 minute, couldn't find nothing, dude. It was just like kind of going sideways right here. So I waited. Then we saw this huge push up with displacement. Okay, no fair value up got created. No fair value gap got created there either. Here we see that we invalidate this 5-minute fair value gap by closing completely on it, and this is my entry right here. Like, not only is it a 5-minute because it got invalidated, it turns into inverse fair value gap. So this is now inverse fair value gap. Not only that, but it's also, if you go to the swing high and swing low, part of equilibrium, right? So that was enough bias for me to say, hey, this is my long position, especially for it hitting 50% of this fair value gap. That was my buy position, and I just took this buy position with stop loss at the end of that fair value gap or fair value gap candle, right? And take profit, just one take profit at these previous highs up here, and that's literally as easy as it was. Small last trade, and then here, it's difficult to kind of notice it, but this candle is lower than this candle, okay? And if you look at it through a futures prop firm, right, or not prop firm, but a futures chart, like I can show you here. If you look at it through a futures chart, you can see that that candle is way lower, right, than this previous candle. Meaning this candle closure is a breaker structure on that, and it flips this fair value gap into an inverse fair value gap as it closed it. So this right here is now the inverse fair value gap. Here we see this wick once, twice, and each time giving a bearish reaction, right? That was enough confluence for me to be like, hey, I'm gonna take a short, and I just took a short, and I just followed it to this fair value gap level, which again was as simple as just 1 to 5 RR. Well, not simple. 1 to 5 is pretty freaking extreme, but yeah, pretty much just followed the trade from not Nasdaq. Sorry, I pretty much just followed the trade from here to this lower level right here, this fair value gap right here that I entered on previously, and that was pretty much just it. That's all I was trading. So for the Top Step account, I made about like 2.5 thousand today, but I was breaking my. I'm not breaking my rules, but I saw a really good setup on the Asia session, and spread absolutely destroyed me. I entered the trade with freaking negative $500 profit, P&L. So and my stop loss got hit, right? So not only did I lose the trade, but I also got smacked by spread, meaning I pretty much just like screwed myself. I didn't know that futures have that bad of spread on Asia session. So from now on, not trading Asia or London, just purely and strictly only New York session. So you guys can trade with me on this live account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, just we're up to $100,500. That's current balance, and we would have been at like $103,000 right now. But you know what? We make mistakes. It is what it is. We live and we learn. I didn't know that the spread was gonna kill me like that, and had I know, I probably wouldn't have traded. Anyways, regardless, that's pretty much just trade recap right there. So just simple as entries like this. Enter right here, stop loss at the fair value gap candle, and aiming for these highs up here. Simple as just, you know, basic trades that, like, hey, you could do this shit. Again, this one was a little bit better RR because fair value gap candle was right there. And targeting these lows right here was pretty massive. It was not a 1 in 10. I had a way worse entry than that. Because of, yeah, there we go. That's better. Regardless, hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's been a while. I'm going to start posting my trade recaps from now on. And, but yeah, that's pretty much my new strategy. 5-minute fair value gap, just getting absolutely, like, disrespected. Do I not have the basic plan? Okay, anyways, I'll buy that now. Anyways, yeah, just pretty much getting disrespected and just falling right through and creating an inverse fair value gap. But it has to be an exponential one, and it has to align with equilibrium, or the 50% mark, right? So that's pretty much just the trade that we took today. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.